So how to make your first $2,000 per day, 100% affiliate commissions as a newbie, starting out with high ticket affiliate marketing. So as you can see here on my screen right now, right, I just had 2,500 day with this system. So this is not a course, it's basically a business opportunity system which enables you to make $1,500 and $2,300 commissions per day. So the beauty of this system is it pays you daily straight to your Bitcoin wallet, wire transfer, or Stripe. So doesn't matter where in the world you live, even if you're in India, if you are in US, Canada, Australia, doesn't matter. You can get paid in the same day by Stripe Express. So this is the beauty of this system. So let me show you step by step exactly how this system exactly works. So as you can see over here, once you're a member, right, this is going to be your virtual back office. So basically you have your own online office where you can log in, and you can see over here we have opt-in pages, right, all done for you. You can even ask for the website or blog to be built for you. Different sales pages, right? You can just copy all of these links here, right? You can use it for free traffic, and we teach it personally, one-on-one inside our group, how to exactly to do it, how to run free traffic and paid traffic. So all of this is here, right? You have virtual training. So basically, as you can see over here, you have daily training. So when you start first day, you exactly know what to do, right? You don't have to ask any questions. You just log in and you will know your way around, right? So you can click on any link, see every single day, you can watch every video, right? How to build your business online and how to promote this high ticket offer. So basically what you're also getting with this system is the option to make 100% daily commissions. So this is the beauty, right? If you promote low ticket ClickBank products, you would know that it takes lots of effort and time to make $5,000 or $10,000 in a month, because you need around 100 to 200 sales per month to make $10,000 with ClickBank. But in this case, you get $2,000 to $2,350 per one sale. So imagine this, if you have only 2 sales in a month, you're making over $4,500, right? So it's entirely up to you how much you want to make, but we do have a personal support and mentorship along the way so that you can generate commissions with Google Ads, for example, with paid methods, email marketing, and all of this is done for you. You can see over here in the system, right? Everything is done within the system, so you can promote that. You have, for example, my products. You have different options here, right? For example, packages. I'll click here. So see, you have different packages here. Now, if you begin with Vertex Elite, you can only get paid $500, $200, and $100 commissions. Now, if you start with, which is best option, in my opinion, Vertex Live, like I have, then you pay $2,500. This is what is the investment. But most people make their money back in the first 24 hours to the first 7 days, right? Why? Because if you remember, I said you're getting paid up to $2,300 per sale. So it doesn't take a genius to make one sale and get your money back, right? You are getting also opt-in pages, social media back, right? Free traffic strategies. So most people are making this kind of money with free traffic only, right? Then you're getting your logo, you get multi-page funnels. You don't have to have any click funnels. You don't need to invest any more money in softwares, and build done for you websites. So done for you traffic, done for your website, everything is included in this system, right? So yeah, also the extra bonus for me is my personal 1,000 buyers clicks. So once you join with our system, right, with me together, you're getting 1,000 free buyers traffic to your affiliate link, right? So we do it one-on-one personally. You see, you're getting paid $500 here, $1,000 daily commissions, and $2,300 daily commissions with Vertex Live. So the best option is to start with Vertex Live, because of course you're getting 100% commissions paid daily, and you can make very good money online promoting the system itself, educational products. As you can see over here, everything is done for you. So you don't have to be a genius to make $2,000 daily sales, right? So we also have the email system in place and everything else. You see, new user starts here, your account, marketing hub, referrals, everything else, and support as well. You have everything in here so that you can begin as a newbie and start making great money online. Now, I also include my personal bonus. So if you really want to stop missing out on high ticket income that you deserve, then say yes. I'm in. click the link below this video, ask me how you can get started, and I will personally make sure to help you one-on-one along the way to start making $2,000 daily commissions. And what you're also getting from me as a special bonus today is my VIP bonus, which is fancy deeper templates and training. So what I'm personally showing you is how to use other people's email lists, integrate your own emails inside them, and make these huge high ticket commissions, right? So you're gonna get over $10,000 in value from me personally with VIP special bonus, and I will give you the emails that are proven to work with high ticket commissions, like $8,000 to $10,000 training materials, coaching programs that we are using exact emails like in these templates to make high ticket commissions. So it doesn't take long until you have your first $2,000 a day. So if you're still watching this video, what you can do is subscribe to my channel, and after watching, click the link below this video, connect with me, shoot me the message on Instagram, Facebook, or DM me on email, WhatsApp, whatever you're using, right? Whatever channel you're using on social media, and reach out to me and say, yes, Tim, I want to start making $2,000 commissions, and I'll personally show you exactly how it's done so that you can be part of our community.